Hi there. Today we will have a look at the Watcher mode feature on PhantomBuster. So the Watcher mode is a feature that allows certain phantoms to automatically rerun their inputs and extract new data each time they launch. The feature is available on most phantoms. It's a good use case because it always allows you to retrieve new results when you're searching new leads or when you're monitoring, for example, new posts from profiles. This is what we will do now. We will use the LinkedIn activity extractor. And then I will, as an input, just paste one profile URL. I would like to monitor the new post. I will save, connect my LinkedIn account, and then here I just indicate that I want to scrape the latest post. Here you will see that I can select the Watcher mode. So you should tick this checkbox. Then on the launch settings, what I want to do is that I want to launch repeated launches, because if I launch it once, then the Watcher mode is actually useless. So I want to launch it, let's say, once per hour, because I'm checking a profile, someone who is posting quite regularly. Every hour, I want to see if this person is publishing new posts. Then if he is, I will always get the new results because I'm launching it repeatedly. If I was launching it once, I will just get the results once and then I will not be able to retrieve the new post. So here I will click on save. Then I'm launching the Phantom. So you can see here that I got two posts from this profile. One was published 1 hour ago and the other one 2 hours ago. So let's see. I will come back in 1 hour and check if this person was publishing new content. Okay, so I just came back on my Phantom 1 hour after, and you can see that now I got a third post that was published 11 minutes ago. So thanks to the Watcher mode and the multiple launches, remember that I was planning to launch the Phantom repeatedly once per hour. I was able then to retrieve a new post, which I would not be able to do it if I was launching the Phantom only once. When I go now on the activity tab, you can see that the Phantom was launched 2 times. The first time was at 9:55 today. The second time was at 10:55 and it got one more result. I will show you another example of using the Watcher mode and illustrate how it can be powerful for your automations. If, for example, we use the Sales Navigator search export, I will create my Sales Navigator search here. For the sake of the example, I already made it. What I was searching is CEOs in Paris for companies between 10 to 50 employees. And something important here is that I selected only people who were posting on LinkedIn. This filter only takes the people who were posting on LinkedIn on the 30 last days. So it's a dynamic filter, meaning that every day you will get new people. And here the Watcher mode will be quite important, because if you come back in 2 days, in 1 week, you will get new people because there will be new ones posting every day on LinkedIn. So I will take this URL and I will give it here to my Phantom. Then I will connect my accounts. And on the behavior here, I will click on advanced behavior settings and I will click the Watcher mode. I will save, and same as before here, I will launch it repeatedly. I will launch maybe, once per day will be enough, because today I will be able to scrape 2,500 people, and maybe tomorrow there will be new people posting, so it could be 100, 200, or even more people coming in my leads database. I will save the Phantom and I will launch. I would like to finish with an example that's first to show you. Remember, on the first example, I was scraping the latest post published by someone on LinkedIn. I would like that always when this person is publishing new posts on LinkedIn, I will automatically like the new posts. So I will use the LinkedIn auto liker. And then as an input, I will paste the profile URL of this person. I will save, connect my LinkedIn accounts, and on the behavior, same as before, I will always select the watcher mode. Then I don't need to check the other settings. It's fine like this. And here again, I will repeatedly launch this phantom, so it will always look up for new results, new posts being published, and then it will like this new post. So maybe what I can do, as this person is posting quite often, I can launch once per hour, and I will save. And I just need to launch it. And here it is. Thank you for listening and wishing you a good day.